Meaning of establishment.
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 Establishment. Establishment refers to the process of creating or setting up an organization, institution, or system. The word can also refer to a group of people in a particular field who have established themselves as authorities or leaders. The result of an establishment can vary depending on the context, but typically it involves the creation of something new that will endure over time. This could include a business, government agency, school, or any other type of organization that provides goods or services and has a lasting impact on society.